The Brecknell PS USB portable shipping scale is ideal for most warehouses or shipping and dispatch areas. Its durable stainless steel weight platter over a die-cast base frame provides outstanding reliability. The RS-232 and USB ports allow you to hook up to PCs or printers. The Brecknell PS USB comes standard with emulation protocols to allow the scale to connect to a range of post-mail and shipping protocols. Large 1-inch tall digits and blue backlight make the LCD display easy to read. Other features include general weighing, counting, check weighing, percentage weighing, and average weighing. The Brecknell PS USB includes 3 power options: battery, AC power, or fully powered using the USB port. Used under battery power, the Brecknell PS USB gives 20 hours of operation, making it ideal for more portable applications where power can sometimes be an issue. The Brecknell PS USB portable shipping scale, ideal for most warehouses or shipping and dispatch areas. Brecknell, value in weighing.